The Aviation Cocktail, the eternal debate. Should it be stirred or should it be shaken? This pre-prohibition cocktail was created by Hugo Enslin in 1916, and since then it's been a must on every classic cocktail list. Like I said in the beginning, there's an eternal debate should this cocktail be shaken or stirred, but the word is that by stirring you preserve the color from Creme de Violette, and by shaking it loses its beautiful violet color. So today we are going to make the Aviation by stirring. It's an easy cocktail to make, 4 ingredients only. We need gin, Maraschino liqueur, violet liqueur, and some lemon juice. The original recipe calls for parfait amour, but I don't have a parfait amour. I've never seen it in my life, to be honest. Never had a chance to put my hands on a bottle of parfait amour, but I have a substitute, which is Bodin's Creme de Violette. It'll do the trick. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. As I understood, the original recipe called for Tanqueray, so we have a Tanqueray here. It's 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 7.5 ml of Maraschino liqueur. Next is Creme de Violette, 7.5 ml. And the last ingredient is lemon juice, freshly squeezed, 10 ml or 1/3 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to stir the cocktail for 30 seconds. Now we have a pre-chilled glass here, discard the ice. And we are going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. Now for garnish, we're going to use a Maraschino Cheery. We need one. Stick it on a cocktail pick. And just put it inside. Ladies and gents, that's it. The Aviation. Cheers. Yeah, that's it. Violet liquor, gin, Maraschino liquor, lemon juice. Perfect combination. This one's definitely a must on your cocktail list. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a classic cocktail, Aviation, real easy to make, 4 ingredients only, made in 1916 by Hugo Enslin. Try it, you can't go wrong with this one. So let me know in the comments below how you already tried Aviation. Was it shaken? Was it stirred? Let me know what you think. And like always, if you like the video, please subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.